Hi, how are you? And welcome back to my channel Course by Sid. So today in this video we are going to see that how we can connect one HTML file to another HTML file. So let's say suppose here you can see that I have two HTML file, right? One is the index.html file and the second one is the contact form.html file. And here are these two files, right? Now in the index.html file I need to connect contact form.html file. So what I'm going to do, first I'll write one heading. So I'll write, let's say h3, and in the heading I'll write connecting contact form, right? This will be my heading, and for connecting the file I'll use anchor tag, and in the href I'll give the name of that file, that is contact form.html, and here I'll write contact form. Now I'm going to save this and then I'm going to come back to my browser, right? So here you can see that connecting contact form, and here is my contact form. When I'm going to click on this contact form, so you can see that my contact form has opened, right? Now I want to add the home page also, so that I can easily switch back to my home page. You can also switch back by clicking it over here, right? Now but I want that here on this UI only I want one heading, right, in the anchor tag, so that when I can click it over here, so that it can easily switch back to this home page, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code, and then in the contact form, after the form tag, right, this form tag, I'm going to write one heading. Let's say the h4, let's say it is h4, and then I'm going to write go back to home page, right? And then I'll use the anchor tag for connecting the file, and then over here I'll write index.html in href, and here I'll write home page within my anchor tag. Now I'm going to save this and I'm going to come back to my browser. So here you can see that this home page has appeared. So when I'll click over here, it will easily switch back to the home page, and when I'll click over here on this contact form, my contact form will be opened. So thank you, that's all for this video. I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video with some new topic. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it, so that you can get the latest update from the channel. Thank you, that's all for this video.